Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see at what time iOS 16 update coming to your iPhone. Apple said that they are going to release iOS 16 update officially to all the compatible iPhones on 12th September, which is today. And the US time that the update will be released is going to be 10 a.m. Pacific time. As I'm in India, it is going to be 10:30 p.m. IST. If you're from other countries, you can simply do a Google search like 10 a.m. PT to your country zone. That will help you to know the exact time that you will be receiving your iOS 16 update in your iPhone. Couple of days ago, I have published a video about things you should remember before installing iOS 16 in your iPhone. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment as well. When you try to install iOS 16 in your iPhone, if you encounter any of the following problems, then the answers that I'm about to give may be helpful to you. The very first thing is at 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time for me, the iOS 16 comes out, and when I try at the exact same time, I may not immediately get iOS 16 software update for next few minutes. Due to the server cache and some ISP related cache related issues, I may not get the iOS 16 software update immediately. All I will be seeing is your software is up to date and you are currently running iOS 15.6.1. You don't have to worry about it. Just give a try after 30 to 40 minutes. When the server is busy, we may see such errors. The servers cannot accept all the connections at the same time. The second possibility is even if your Wi-Fi connection is so super fast, Apple servers limit the number of sessions download bandwidth, so you may see some slowdown while trying to update the 5 to 6 GB download from the Apple server. So once your update is started, just give some extra time to let the download process completed and then you can proceed with the update. And even after trying 2 to 3 hours, if you're not seeing the iOS 16 update tonight when you try to update the latest iOS 16 software, do try restarting your iPhone and then check again to see the iOS 16 software update waiting in your settings, general and software update section. And some people have a question like whether you should update this one as it is a major release, whether you should update it from iTunes or you can do it in the Wi-Fi itself. If your Wi-Fi connection is good, it's absolutely fine to do it entirely the update through Wi-Fi. If you have a computer and iTunes installed and you have a good Wi-Fi connection, then you can connect it to the computer, and every 4 or 5 versions once doing the update via iTunes definitely helped in my case, to fix any minor bugs related problems. And being iOS 16 the first version, there are possibilities for bugs and errors here and there. And so far, when I asked my audience about whether they are facing any apps related problems in their iPhone or not, some banking applications did have problems that can be fixed only when the bank application developer releases an update. So which I'm expecting like in 2 to 3 weeks, we may see several updates continuously from app developers to fix apps crash related problems, UI related problems when we run their applications in the latest iOS 16. So every 2 to 3 days once, don't forget to refresh your app store, your profile updates section to receive any apps update that will make it compatible to the latest iOS 16 version. Overall, when you have apps that are fully compatible with the iOS 16, you will be able to experience very less crash or any UI related problems, can be avoided with those app updates. So rest of the things should be good, and do update to the iOS 16 version after verifying all these things, and do share your feedback in the comment section how the overall experience is after using it for 2 to 3 days. Thank you and have a wonderful day.